Hello, Weekend Crafter! Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. I'm Ange, and for today, I'm going to share some dusty color recipes. I was supposed to share this last weekend, but I had accidentally miscounted my weeks, so my bad. For this color recipe series, I want to make some dusty colors. As the name suggests, dusty colors have a grayish tint to it. When I look at these subtle colors, I am reminded of romance and nostalgia. The four colors that I will be sharing today are Dusty Coral, Peachy Haze, Cloudy Sage, and Mineral Blue. For the first color, let's make Dusty Coral. For this, we need to mix 6 parts white with 1 part terracotta and 1 part burnt umber. As with my other color recipes, I'm only using the clay that is available to me, so these are from different brands. The clay shortage continues to be an ongoing concern, which is also why I've learned how to mix my own colors. I also want to remind you that when you're mixing colors, be patient and mix one color at a time. This allows you to see the results first before adding another color. This also makes it easier to correct if, for example, you'll need to add more of one color. Among the colors, this is also the only one that I didn't add granite to. I wanted to keep this plain in case I wanted to make it a slab. I also wanted to highlight the contrast between the other colors. I'm calling the second color Peachy Haze. For this color, start with mixing 6 parts white with 1 part terracotta. Then, when the colors are fully incorporated, add 1 part granite gray. Adding a bit of granite gray doesn't really change the color of your clay, but it lends this rock-like texture. To make cloudy sage, you will need to mix 6 parts white clay and a sliver of olive. Olive green clay is a particularly strong color, so add this only sparingly. This was also rather dry clay, so it took a while to get the colors incorporated. So another tip that I have for those who want to mix custom colors is to invest in a pasta roller. I'm pretty sure that manually rolling the colors will also work, but it will probably take you twice as long to get all the colors to blend. Once I got the colors to mix, I added 1 part slate gray. And for the final touch, I added 1 part granite gray. For the final color, let's make mineral blue. To make mineral blue, first mix 6 parts white and a bit of peacock blue. Again, blue is a color that you have to add sparingly because it does darken significantly. So, if you aren't sure of the resulting color, just add this little by little. Then, mix 1 part slate gray. And finally, add 1 part gray granite. I know I always say this with all the colors that I make, but I really loved how these turned out. I get inspiration from colors, and so when I made these, I had so many ideas. I'm sharing a few of my projects for this week. I hope that you enjoyed these color recipes, and you do try to recreate them. You can tag me on IG if you've tried to recreate these colors and have used it for any of your projects. If you haven't yet, do consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio so that I can continue sharing my love of crafting. Have a crafty weekend! Bye!